A Lake Tahoe man is convicted of first-degree murder for the 2018 death of his girlfriend, Deborah Patton, and the couple's dog. Now Jeremy Virgo awaits his sentencing in November this year. El Dorado County Sheriff's deputies responded to a call of gunshots in Tahoma back in February 2018. The first officer on scene says he heard gunshots from Virgo's home. Then when officers later entered the home, they found Patton and the couple's dog dead, shot multiple times by a shotgun. Virgo later admitted to an argument between the couple that day. Katie Johnston for CBS 13 News.